Today, we are looking into letter writing. Letter writing is the art of communicating by writing one's request, feelings, idea, opinions and so on to someone, as if the person were physically present. Formal letter. Another name for formal letters is official letter. They are letters we write to people in their official positions. Even when we know them personally, the rule demands that we still write them impersonal or official letters. Formal letter can be in form of applications for admission or employment requests for casual leave by staff in offices, official queries and replies to them, letters to local government chairmen, commissioners or minister of education, requesting for changes in the school system and other such topics. Features of a formal letter. Writer's address. This should be written at the top right-hand corner of the page like this. Federal Government College. P. M. B. 1075. Awari, Imo State. 15th July, 2002. Receiver's address. This is written on the line following the date on the left-hand side of the page. Other names for the receiver are the recipient, the addressee, example, the director, Adebisi Associated Enterprises, P. M. B. 10016. Akure. Salutation. The salutation is the greeting which comes after the receiver's address, dear sir, or dear madam. There are some people who are greeted in special ways like this. The governor of a state, Your Excellency. An ambassador, Your Excellency. A traditional ruler, Your Highness/Your Majesty. A pastor, Dear Reverend. A judge, Your Lordship. Heading or topic or title. This comes directly after the salutation but not on the same line. Example, complaints about the lack of facilities in my area. Body of the letter. Here, you go straight to what the question states you should do. There should be no room for exchange of pleasantries or personal matters, slangs, colloquialism, abbreviations and contracted words like won't, I'm. You know, yay, what's up, US, NAFDAC are allowed. Subscript, complimentary close. The most correct way of ending a formal letter is yours faithfully, at the right-hand corner of the page immediately after the letter. It's followed by the writer's signature and full names written under the signature. Yours faithfully. Signature as Chima. Note capital letter Y and small letter f while your signature must come before your name.